how to stop annoying notifications from the Opera News app. Step 1. Open your phone app settings for Opera News. Go to Settings, click on Apps, find and tap Opera News. Step 2. Go into Notification. Tap Notification from the app settings page. Step 3. Turn off all the notification or pick specific ones. Toggle off allow notification entirely, or if you want to keep some, like payment alert, but kill breaking news pings, look for categories inside the app itself and disable just those. Step 4. Check in-app notification settings too. Open the Opera News app, go to its own settings menu, usually at a gel icon or hamburger menu, and look for a notification or push notification toggle. Turning this off inside the app is often more reliable than the phone level setting alone. Step 5. Restart the app. Close and reopen Opera News after changing the settings to make sure the changes take effect immediately. If notification keeps coming back after you have turned them off, it's usually because the app resets settings after an update. Worth checking again after any app update. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to stop annoying notifications from the Opera News app. Thanks for watching.